The Southeast Regional Health Authority has introduced its new Internal Requisition Form. The form has three sections. Section 1 is completed by the requester. Section 2 is completed by budget. And Section 3 is completed by the procurement department. Let's take a look at the elements of Section 1. The date. This is the date the request is being made. Example, 21st of December 2020. Next, who is making the request? An example would be John Doe. What is the estimated cost of the project? State the estimated cost in the respective currency. Example, $1,600,000. Is this purchase a part of your approved budget? Yes or no? Tick whichever is appropriate. Which institution is this for? Indicate, for example, Kingston Public Hospital. Which department within that institution is this purchase for? Example, X-ray department. We may need to contact you, so please provide us with an appropriate email address. What is your procurement type? Is it goods, a consulting service, a non-consulting service, or works? Indicate as appropriate. Also, tell us the priority of the project that you're working on. Is it a very high priority? Is it high, medium, or low? Tick as appropriate. Kindly note that if it is high or very high, you may need to provide justification later. Now we get to the most important part of the form, the table. The table is best completed electronically. It allows you to insert rows as is appropriate. Complete all relevant sections of the table. Describe your items to be purchased in its entirety. Kindly indicate additional comments or justification for your project. If you had previously selected high or very high, provide the justification in this area. Lastly, in this section, the approval. Tell us the name of the head of department, insert your signature, and the date that this form was approved. Now that your form is completed and approved, it is now time to send it for commitment. Now that we have completed Section 1, let's take a look at the elements of Section 2 when the form is taken to accounts to be committed in the budget department. Once the funds are available, accounts will now provide the appropriate commitment information. This will include the commitment number, the accounting code, and any additional comments they may have about the particular purchase. Once completed, the budget officer and budget manager will insert their name, signature, and date the appropriate sections. The form will then be returned to the requester. Having completed all previous sections, it is now time to do the final preparation to submit your form to the procurement department. Let's take a look at Section 3, where the form is submitted to the procurement department along with all the other supporting documents. Now that your project is approved and committed, it is time to send it to the procurement department for final processing. You may need to provide a needs assessment in the case where you are doing a purchase that is being done for the first time. For example, anything that falls under Object 32. You may need to provide technical specifications for all purchases of goods that are not commonly used items. Please provide any other supporting document that may make the process flow simpler. Should the procurement department have further questions, they will be in touch with you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like this content and you would like to see more, leave a comment with your thoughts. And subscribe to our channel so you are notified once we publish new content. Have a great day.